Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shimela and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. In love with smoky Shikari chicken tikka kebab, and it's loved by all chicken lovers thanks to its mind-blowing flavors. Boneless chicken pieces are marinated in yogurt and spices and then grilled to perfection. Can be made on stove top, BBQ or in the oven. This dish is so satisfying and surprisingly easy to replicate at home. So let's start making it. In a bowl, add 500 grams boneless chicken cubes. Goes in finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon. Finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon finely chopped green chilies. Finely chopped coriander leaves. 1 teaspoon mustard oil. Half teaspoon black salt. And now give this a very nice mix. And I'm going to marinate this for an hour in refrigerator. After an hour, add 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon degi mirch, 1 teaspoon mustard oil, 1 tablespoon roasted kasuri methi, 2 tablespoon curd, 2 tablespoon cream or fresh malai, 1 tablespoon cashew paste, and 1 tablespoon grated beetroot. Now give this a very nice mix, and now I'm going to marinate this for 3 to 4 hours. And now give a charcoal smoke. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, remove it. Now I'm going to skewer the chicken pieces. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a grilling pan. Now place the skewers. Fry this for 8 minutes on each side. Keep the flame on medium-high heat. Apply the leftover masala on top. Now turn the other side and cook for 8 minutes on medium-high heat till it becomes crispy and well cooked. Once done, remove it. So guys, your smoky Shikari chicken tikka skewer are now ready. Garnish with a dash of lemon juice and some chaat masala. Serve with some onions and with your favorite dip or chutney on side. Traditionally it is made in tandoor, but I made it in stove. It still tasted awesome. The main thing you should remember is the marination of the chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a big thumbs up below and follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.